welcome to another video on my channel. So today guys, I will be putting a pause on repairing my BMW E60. As you guys may know, usually I'm talking in Bahasa Malaysia, but today I'm going to try to talk in English throughout all of this video today. So as some might know that English is not my first language, it's Bahasa Malaysia, so I'm trying to improve my English. So by doing this video, I hope that my English will be improved. So before we start about today's topic, guys, help me to like and subscribe my channel. So today, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a replacement of the cabin filter and also the air filter, because this car it's starting to smell bad from the outside coming to the inside, the air conditioner. So I think it might something wrong with the air filter, because I had done the service for the aircon and it's cost me about 120 ringgit just for the gas for the aircon, and another 30 ringgit for the replacement of the air filter. So it is not done much when I already sent it for servicing, and it still smell like garbage when I turn on the air conditioner. So I'll try to make a simple fix today. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. So I'm going to open up the hood and I'll try to replace the cabin filter there.
For a better sound, I'll be wearing a microphone so you can hear me clearly. So actually it's a very simple fix. You just have to open a hatch here, about here and here. Hopefully you can see there's one here and here, which holds them together so that they won't be easily taken off. So there's a hatch here also, one here, one here. So I'm going to open it up. Okay, it's a bit hard, right, to see the sound. Then I'm just going to disconnect this first. It's just simple, and take a look. So we have access to the cabin filter, right? So this is the cabin filter. So it's quite dirty, as you can see. I think the last time I replaced it was around last year, 2019. So I've already run about 50,000 kilometers on it. So I think it's a good change, that maybe hopefully it can solve my problem. Okay,
Clean up the air intake. I don't know if you can see it here, because right here there's some oil, or I don't know, I'm not sure, oil or water there. So I'm just going to clean it up for better cleanliness. Okay, so I think I got this car in the year 2014. So I have done much on this car, just for the basic one, and it's a good car actually, Honda City TMO 2010. It's a very good car. It's used as a daily car, and I bought my BMW E60 earlier than the same year, but earlier than this Honda City. So for now I'm just planning for the BMW to be used on weekends. Okay, so I think it's already clean, so I'm going to install the new cabin filter. But just to reconfirm it, I'm just going to go through one more time and clean it hopefully. Okay, the new replacement, the old one is a carbon one, but I just got this the simple one. It's I think the basic one, it's the white one, no carbon and all, just a basic filter. So it's just easy. You just have to put it here, like so, and make sure it aligns. You can see this is the place you can pick up the
cabin filter, and just put it like that and so, and we'll be installing back the cap. So I'll begin now installing the cap. I have done replacing the filter in the air intake. So my second problem is, guys, it's the ventilation, water ventilation. So like when I change here so that allow the air from outside to come in, then I push it back for the car to only ventilate around itself. There's a little problem, guys, which is the air from outside keep coming inside, so the smell from outside is throughout the car. I mean, what mean is that everything from the outside I can smell inside the car. So maybe because it is not that tight, so I'm going to open this player and try to solve the problem. If you can see this, guys, when I try to change it to receive air from the outside, and it turning it back to only receive the ventilation inside the car, it doesn't close properly. I think because of this, because it's very loose, see, so it doesn't close properly. So maybe I should solve this problem first before replacing the filter, the new filter for the air conditioner. Okay guys, hopefully I can repair it. So I will disconnect the wire first. It's a simple task actually. I have only to disconnect. I don't know whether you can see this. It's got connector here. Okay, just about there, and have to disconnect it. I'll get back into you in a second after I disconnect it.
A few minutes later.
Guys, I think I have solved the problem. It's more tighter than before, so there's a difference between the previous and now. It's more tighter. So I think I'm going to clean up for a bit because it's quite dusty here. So I get back to you in a second, guys.
A few moments later.
Now I'm done installing the player and already installed back the ventilation to open and close. So the next thing is I'm going to change the air filter for the aircon. So it's quite simple. You just have to take it out like so. There's both of the end to take it out. Sorry, I'm using both hands and at the same time holding the camera out. So as I have said, guys, when I serviced the aircon, they changed the filter also, the air filter. But the problem is, guys, it's just like it's so thin. It's basically like a paper. So I don't think it filtered well, because this is not an OEM air filter for Honda City. It's just some like just a short replacement I think they done. So I think I'm at loss here, guys. So I'm gonna change it to an OEM part. So hopefully it will solve my problem also regarding the smell coming out from the outside, because I can't stand using this daily car then to pick up, or let's say going to a shopping mall in a good mood and my mood is turned off because bad smell entering from the air conditioner from the outside. I can smell it smells like garbage, guys. So hopefully this will solve my problem. So in a while I will replace it with a air filter that I bought from Shopee. So you can see here is the Honda parts. It's fitted for City, Jazz, Freed, Civic FC, Harari, BRB, CRV, and inside CRV. Okay, it even got the part number, right? So I brought a carbon one. Hopefully it's the correct part. I haven't taken a look at it yet. So either way, let's open it up, guys. And open it up, still sealed, and it got its part number and all. So just trying to see whether it fit or no. Yeah, I think I have to open the plastic first, then I'll try it. But yeah, it's fit. So I'm going to open it, plastic off, then I'm going to install it back, guys. I've already put back the air filter to its place, and hopefully it will solve my problem. And I hope the video has been helpful to anyone that might need to replace their cabin filter or air filter. And I will see you in a future video and more videos in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you guys soon.